folks, this is your view channel. My name is Martin. I hope you have a great day. And today we make a dish. It's called the fried sausage with onion. Chinese name called 洋葱炒脆皮肠. The main ingredient we need the one bag of smoked sausage or any kind of this kind of small sausage. It's okay. One bag. And one onion, can be purple onion. I use purple onion. You can use all the sweet yellow onion. Either is okay. And 1 teaspoon chopped ginger. Those are the main ingredients we need for this dish. Okay, we cut the onion. This onion already peeled and washed. We cut it right off. And we cut this part off. Then we cut it. Try to cut it as thin as possible. Try to cut it as thin. Probably be like this. So will be like this. Okay. This onion we get. Okay, we cut the sausage. This sausage we cut it open the back. Get the sausage. Get the sausage. Oh, it has some water. We just use the paper towel dried. This sausage we cut like this. Just look. We cut this part. We leave some here. Leaves a little. Don't cut through. Then cut it. Cut across. Cut across will be like this. Cut again. This is cut this. Leave some, and cut it like this. So will be like this. But this part don't cut it. We put it into the plate. This is the sausage we get. Turn the stove. Medium fire. We put on. When the pot is hot, we add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. And rinse the pot. We don't need to wait the oil is hot. We add the sausage into it. Just slowly to fry. And slowly fry. To roast it, slowly fry and roast it the sausage. Just fry. You will see right now the sausage kind of like a flower. It's blossom. This is what we want. And outside this sausage it become very crispy. So we just keep it fried. With the sausage and like a flour open, we add 1 teaspoon of ginger into it. Just fry it until the ginger releases good smell. When the ginger releases good smell and outside of the sausage looks very kind of like a brown, little brown, crispy. Then we add the onion into it. Fry it. This is the plain salt. We add 1 teaspoon plain salt to it. This is the soy sauce. We add 1 tablespoon soy sauce to it. Just slowly fry until the onion is fully cooked. So right now we can try the onion. The onion is fully cooked now. Onion is fully cooked. So we turn off the stove. So the fried sausage with onion, Chinese name called 洋葱炒脆皮肠. This dish is done, and I hope you like it. Please subscribe, share, like, and comment, and see you next time.